And it has come to pass that in these, the early days of 2022, the grand send-off for the Universe boss, Chris Gayle, will not happen. At least not in the upcoming series against Ireland. Now, first of all, it would hardly make sense to have a grand send-off in an empty Savannah Park after it was announced that no spectators will be allowed for the series. And what sealed the deal was when Gayle was not picked by the selectors in the squad. So that is that. Any send-off for any cricketer must be predicated on that player being able to make the team on merit. And after the embarrassment of the World T20, in the context of the next World T20 coming up later this year, and the limited time to prepare and mold a West Indies team to try and win another title, at age 42, Gayle cannot credibly factor in any West Indies team right now. If and when the regional cricket resumes and spectators return to cricket, it would be more tolerable for Jamaica to give the Universe boss a send-off game. Yes. But West Indies business is supposed to be serious business. It is not joke business. The only time West Indies cricket is not serious business is when the Maverick attack out. Otherwise, it's serious.